Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2009 Toyota Camry with a 2.4 motor. This happens to be a hybrid. But we're going to go over how you would remove the spark plug or replace your spark plugs on this vehicle. This happens to be cylinder 1, and then it would go 2, 3, 4. And so I'm just going to show you how to do it on the 1, and you would just repeat this 4 times. So you take this is a 5/8 socket. And you just remove your spark plug. Just go ahead and double check it. See, we've definitely got some moisture in there, but not bad. And then we just go ahead and get our new spark plug to put in. So we've got our new spark plug. This is the new, we've got the new spark plug, gaps set from the store. You can double check it if you want, but it's good. And then you take, this is a spark plug socket. The only thing different with the socket, it's got a little rubber gasket in here that holds the spark plug so it doesn't fall down into the cylinder. So you want to ease it down in there because we don't want to tap the top of it and mess up the gap. So you get it down there. And you tighten it to torque spec, which is generally about 22 foot-pounds. And then pull that back out. And so that's how you replace your spark plug on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.